So yesterday we saw how there was an attack on an ambulance in Uttar Pradesh's Moradabad. Today the cops were ducking themselves from attacks by using a broken door as a shield. The Yogi government has said NSA will be slapped on those who dare to attack on the front line. But the question is, how can we tolerate this? So I'd like to start by asking Syed on the debate, and I think we have Gaurav Arya as well, and T.R. Kakkar is on with us. Let's look at the Moradabad pictures first, Syed and Gaurav. Ambulances were left with broken windshields, massive stones, as remnants of the attacks were seen. When it passed by the region with a COVID patient, you can see how the doctors are there in hazmat suits. They're completely stumped by what has happened. How can a few be so unabashed, Gaurav? And why is this being allowed, and why is this not a big issue for some people?
Arnab,
I think
people find all sorts of excuses as to why, why these things happen and what was the trigger that these things happen. Now, I'll just tell you, Arnab, I think the police is dealing very, very gently with these people. Whether it's the people in Punjab, in Indore or in Moradabad, I think somewhere we need to show firm resolve, not just by filing cases under NSA or filing 307 cases attempt to murder, but also the way police uses limited force, non-lethal force against these people. There should have been tear gas, there should have been a lathi charge, there should have been women police. If the women are throwing stones, thrash them there and then. That is what the police has been doing. Why is the police wearing kid gloves? Police should be given a free hand, sort these people out, use non-lethal, I repeat, non-lethal force under all conditions. Arnab, anywhere, even in the United States of America, you so much as threaten a cop, he will shoot you. It's only in India where the police is carrying a broken door and people are throwing stones. How dare they? Arnab, today my question is, how dare they?
I think that particular visual, I'll run it, about how the police is using a door as a shield is particularly telling. Let's stay with the pictures out there. Syed, I'm sure you've seen the pictures out there. This is a mob situation, right? And I agree with Gaurav. I think we have been very gentle all this while. In this phase of the lockdown, we should give it back really hard. Yes, Syed, please.
Okay. Arnab, first things first, what has happened is very unfortunate, uncalled for, condemnable. Also, the point that I'm trying to make here is I did hear Major Gaurav Arya Sahab, with all due respect to you, sir, but I do not comply with what you are saying. Force dealt with force will result in more destruction. What will be the difference between civilized citizens and uncivilized? If you are asking to make it non-lethal, even then force is applied. But that is not called for. Danda will not work here. Civilized education will work here.
Danda will not work.
Which country in the world?
The right people to talk
India
to them
is
will
a
work
developing
here.
country. Which country in the world
your kind of
tolerates
force,
a policeman being insulted? Which country?
Work here.
Which country? Please name one country.
Said, an eye for an eye
it will
make
work.
The whole world blind,
it will work, my friend. Force always works.
Beat violence with violence.
I'd like T.R. Kakkar to also come in.
What happened in Moradabad
T.R. Kakkar.
It is shameful.
If policemen